Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As most of you know, or didn't, Adobe Flash reached its end of life on December 31, 2020, and as of January 12, 2021 does not function at all. Since Adobe is no longer supporting Flash, they are blocking and disabling all Flash content beginning January 12, 2021 from web browsers including Chrome. 13 January 2021.
Take our lead.
So, let's check out some of the best free Adobe Flash Player alternatives in 2020. Photon Flash Player and Browser. Well, it's an Android web browser with Flash Player support. FlashFox, Flash Browser. LightSpark, HTML5. 10 Best Chrome Extensions for Productivity in 2021. 10 Best Language Learning Apps for Android in 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.